Hi there, this is Ranjit from tech2buzz.com, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to one more Wi-Fi product, but this is not a Wi-Fi router. Let me explain you. I generally get 2 or 3 emails every week, and one request is that Ranjit, I have this Wi-Fi router but it is not able to extend the range to all my house or to my backyard. The thing is that however good your Wi-Fi router might be, it might be the best, but every Wi-Fi router has a limitation. The amount of Wi-Fi range that it can offer, and if you have a large house or you have a garden, etc., there might be spots where the Wi-Fi reception might be very weak or non-existent. So you need a device that can be placed in between where the signal is there to extend the range, and for that I had asked TP-Link to provide a product, and they have given us this product. That's the TP-Link TL-WA701ND, and it's a wireless access point, but also it can act as a wireless repeater, thereby extending your Wi-Fi network. For example, let's say you have A, B and C zone, and in C zone you do not get the Wi-Fi reception. So you just place this device in the B zone and configure it as a wireless repeater, and then you can get the Wi-Fi in the zone C. So let's do the unboxing of this TP-Link access point. So this is the TP-Link wireless access point and repeater, and it states here that it comes with a 3-year warranty, and in India it's priced at around 1800 bucks. That's what TP-Link told me, and here the MRP it states is 2699, but as TP-Link stated, you can get it for 1800 bucks. Let me take out this cover. And this is a 150 megabit model. You also get a 300 Mbps model, and it can actually act in 3 modes. That's the AP client mode, just the normal AP mode, and the wireless repeater mode that I'm interested in. The AP mode is that, let's say you have a network television, like let's say modern television, most of them come with the Ethernet port, but that might be in a place where you do not have Ethernet connection. So you can just connect this router and connect the router's Ethernet cable to your television, and this will pull the internet from your existing router. And repeater is what we are interested in. So I won't waste a lot of time. Let us quickly open up this box and let's see what do we get in the same. And we get this box, and the good thing is TP-Link is offering 3-year warranty for most of the products. And let us see, what do we get. We get a small CD. We get a TP-Link purchase guide, the other products that they offer. One more purchase guide, again some of the other products they offer. They offer quite a few networking products actually. And we also get a quick installation guide. That's nice. So it easily explains you how you can set up it. It's very simple actually, and it's nice that they're providing step-by-step instructions how to set it into different modes. I'll go about that in detail in the review that I'm going to do, but this is just the unboxing, so let's see. And I have to say the device is pretty small, not very big. I was expecting it to be a little bit big based on the box, and this is the actual device. And the good thing is the antenna is removable, so you can opt for a higher gain antenna. If I'm not mistaken, this looks like just the 3 dB antenna. And we also get a power adapter, standard Ethernet cable, and we also get a PoE device. So that's pretty nice. I'm not very sure why they gave this, but that's interesting. So let me give you a quick look at the access point itself, and it's really simple. You have the power LED, system LED, LAN, wireless, and we also have a QSS, that is WPS button, and on this side we have nothing, and on the back with the power adapter just goes in here, and we also have just one LAN port, and we have the reset switch over here. I'll be doing an in-depth review of this product. I'll be testing it for a couple of weeks in the repeater mode and test it. In my garden I do not get good Wi-Fi range, so I'll see if this product can improve the Wi-Fi range. That's it for now. This is Ranjit from tech2buzz.com, and I hope to see you in my next video.